The cannabis industry is one of the fastest growing sectors, attracting investors worldwide. But if you're looking at marijuana ETFs, which market is better, the United States or Canada? These two regions have very different rules and risks, and picking the right one could make or break your investment. In this video, we'll compare US and Canadian marijuana ETFs, their growth potential, risks, and which market offers the best investment opportunities. What are marijuana ETFs? A marijuana ETF, exchange-traded fund, is a basket of cannabis-related stocks. Instead of investing in a single company, ETFs allow you to gain exposure to multiple cannabis producers, suppliers, and retailers in one investment. Both US and Canadian ETFs exist, but their differences are crucial for investors. US marijuana ETFs. The US cannabis market is the largest in the world, with billions in annual sales. However, because cannabis is still illegal at the federal level, US marijuana companies face serious challenges: banking restrictions, limited access to financial institutions. Stock exchange issues. Many cannabis stocks trade on over-the-counter, OTC, markets instead of major exchanges. Despite these hurdles, some top US marijuana ETFs include Advisor Shares Pure US Cannabis ETF, MSOS, focuses on multi-state operators, MSOs. Amplify Seymour Cannabis EATF, CNBs, includes US and global cannabis stocks. Pros of US marijuana ETFs. Huge growth potential. If federal legalization happens, stock values could soar. Dominant market size. The US leads in global cannabis demand. Cons of US marijuana ETFs. Legal uncertainty. Federal restrictions slow industry expansion. OTC trading risks. Many cannabis stocks have lower liquidity. Canadian marijuana ETFs. Unlike the US, Canada fully legalized cannabis in 2018, allowing companies to operate without banking or regulatory issues. Canadian cannabis stocks trade on major exchanges like the Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX, and even the Nasdaq, making them more accessible to investors. Popular Canadian marijuana ETFs include Horizons Marijuana Life Sciences Index ETF, HMMJ, Canada's first cannabis ETF. Evolve Marijuana Fund, SEED, covers Canadian and international cannabis stocks. Pros of Canadian marijuana ETFs. No legal barriers, fully regulated, stable market. Easier trading. Stocks are listed on major exchanges. Cons of Canadian marijuana ETFs. Smaller market size. Canada has far fewer consumers than the US. Profitability challenges. Many Canadian cannabis companies struggle with oversupply. US versus Canada. Which is better? So, where should you invest? If you're looking for high risk, high reward, US marijuana ETFs could be the better option, especially if federal legalization happens. If you prefer a safer, more stable investment, Canadian marijuana ETFs provide less risk but lower growth potential. For balanced investing, holding both US and Canadian marijuana ETFs could help diversify your portfolio. The cannabis industry is still evolving, and ETFs provide an easy way to invest in its future. Which market do you think has the best long-term potential, US or Canada? Let me know in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for more investing insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.